Hey all, if you are an IT professional like a cloud engineer, AI developer, data scientist, or something else in the tech world, and you are thinking about shifting your career or pivoting into the world of generative AI, then this video is exactly what you're looking for. Today, I'm going to walk you through a complete roadmap that you can follow to become a GenAI expert and land $100,000 to $250,000 jobs in roles like Generative AI Engineer, AI Solutions Architect, AI Project Manager, GenAI Consultant, GenAI Application Specialist, and more. I'll give you the steps you need to build, deploy, and lead generative AI projects, all with hands-on learning that's based on real-world applications. Now, this is a proven roadmap. We have helped more than 46,000 professionals just like you land their dream jobs and earn top certifications. Shrija, Mark, Steve, Devashish, just to name a few, have transformed their careers by following our proven 3-step framework and roadmap. These people were in the same place as you, and today they are in high-demand AI roles. So what we are sharing today is tried and tested. And also you can download this entire roadmap, complete with hands-on guidance for free from the description below. We'll show you exactly what steps to take and how to implement them. It's all there and it's yours to download. And before we jump into the roadmap for mastering generative AI, let's first talk about why this matters and the job opportunities that come with it. Number 1, generative AI engineers. These professionals are responsible for building, training, and deploying generative AI models like GPT, Claude, or DALL-E. They work on tasks like text generation, image creation, and even music and video generation. In the US, a generative AI engineer can expect to earn between $120,000 to $200,000 per year, depending on experience and the company. Next is AI architects. Now, AI architects design AI systems and frameworks. They take the high-level vision of an AI project and break it down into scalable systems. A GenAI architect focuses on the architecture of generative AI applications, ensuring they are scalable, efficient, and optimized for performance. In the US, the salary typically ranges from $150,000 to $250,000 annually. Highly skilled architects in GenAI can demand even higher figures. Next is AI product manager. Now, these professionals bridge the gap between technical teams and business objectives. They manage the development of generative AI products, ensuring they meet user needs while staying on schedule and within budget. The salary for AI product manager in generative AI is around $130,000 to $200,000 per year. And then comes AI consultant. Now, AI consultants provide expert advice on implementing and optimizing generative AI systems. They help companies integrate GenAI models into their existing systems and processes to increase efficiency, automate tasks, and create new products or services. Now, AI consultants specializing in generative AI can earn anywhere from $110,000 to $180,000, with senior consultants commanding even more. So these are a few of the roles, and if these roles sound exciting to you and the salary potential is appealing, then you are in the right place. And with our Generative AI Mastery program, you can be the next one to step into a high-paying GenAI job. So if you're interested in joining and gaining the hands-on skills to succeed in these positions, be sure to check out our newly launched program in the description below. Plus, we are offering a free interview guide packed with real interview questions from GenAI roles. You can download it now and start preparing for your next interview. Alright, now let's jump into the roadmap that will guide you through mastering generative AI and landing one of those exciting job roles. So here's what you need to do. Step 1. Start with understanding the GenAI universe. The first step you can take is to understand the landscape of generative AI. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the key capabilities of generative AI models like GPT, Claude, and Stable Diffusion. Learn about the real-world applications, from text generation to creating images and videos, and understand how they are changing industries like healthcare, finance, and e-commerce. Now, step 2 is dive into the GenAI tools. Next, you can get hands-on with the tools driving generative AI. So you can start experimenting with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E. You'll generate text, images, and audio with these tools to better understand their strengths and limitations in real-world scenarios. Now, step 3 is learn the fundamentals of large language models or LLMs. So once you're comfortable with the tools, you can move on to large language models. Here you will need to master tokenization, understand how LLMs work, and get hands-on with Python to implement these models into real-world applications. The next step involves language modeling fundamentals. Here you'll dive into concepts like word-to-vec, BERT, and how these models are used for tasks like semantic search, classification, and recommendation systems. So understanding these models will help you design more efficient and scalable AI systems. Now step 5 is master LLM and transformer architectures. So after understanding the basics, focus on mastering transformer architectures. Here you can study about BERT, GPT and T5, exploring how they process long sequences and handle complex data. So this is a critical step as you'll optimize these models for real-world tasks and understand scaling laws and performance trade-offs. Now step 6 is get hands-on with LangChain fundamentals. Now LangChain is the tool you need to learn for building advanced workflows. This will allow you to integrate LLMs and create multi-agent systems. You'll design smart workflows and automate tasks, improving the performance of your GenAI systems using LangChain. Step 7, apply prompt engineering using LangChain. So once you're familiar with LangChain, it's time to get into advanced prompt engineering. Here you can learn techniques like few-shot learning, chain of thought, and React patterns to optimize your LLM systems. So this will allow you to create dynamic prompts and improve the responses of your models. Step 8 is build LLM systems using LangChain. So at this stage, you can start building LLM systems with LangChain. You can implement Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG systems and learn how to scale these systems for real-world use. This will help you build smarter, more efficient systems that can handle complex workflows and provide valuable outputs. Now step 9 is explore AWS Bedrock for GenAI tasks. So the next step is get into AWS Bedrock. You'll learn how to use Bedrock to assess foundation models and integrate them into your GenAI applications. You'll also explore how to use AWS services to scale your systems and understand the cost, performance, and capability trade-offs of different models. Now step 10 is use generative and cognitive services in AWS. So after you have explored AWS Bedrock, move on to AWS generative and cognitive services like text extract, recognition, and comprehend. So here you will learn how to integrate these services for text analysis, image recognition, and speech-to-text tasks. So this will give you the ability to build comprehensive AI applications in AWS. Step 11 is master GenAI in Azure. So in this step, you will focus on Azure's GenAI ecosystem. You will work with Azure OpenAI, AI Foundry, and AI Search to design and deploy GenAI solutions. You will learn how to use Azure AI services for text analytics, image recognition, and document processing, building scalable GenAI applications. Now step 12 is work with GenAI in OCI, which is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So by now you can explore OCI's GenAI services like Cohere Command and Gemini. You'll learn how to implement vector search and document processing using OCI, OpenSearch, and OCI Vision. So this step will help you understand how to deploy GenAI systems on OCI and use its services to build AI-driven solutions. Now step 13 is dive into GenAI in GCP or Google Cloud Platform. So this step takes you to Google Cloud Platform where you can work with Vertex AI, Gemini, and Cloud Vision AI. You will learn how to integrate AI services for document automation, image analysis, and speech recognition, creating end-to-end GenAI systems on GCP. Now finally, the Capstone project. So now learning theory is one thing, but applying what you have learned is what will truly set you apart. For example, you can create a production-ready RAG system that combines AWS Bedrock and OpenSearch for scalable vector search, along with LLMs for contextual generation. So in this Capstone project, you can deploy real-world applications integrated with your GenAI models and optimized for performance, scalability, and reliability. This project will demonstrate your ability to create enterprise-ready systems, giving you proof of work that hiring managers value. So there you have it, the roadmap to GenAI mastery. If you follow this path, you will be on your way to landing roles like Generative AI Engineer, GenAI Architect, GenAI Consultant, and more. Also, to level up and make the leap into Generative AI, make sure that you download this roadmap guide and also grab your free Generative AI interview question answers guide today. So the future of GenAI is here. Are you ready to be a part of it?